Shopmaster. Good. 39 inches actually by 11 feet. Both magnets work. Both splitters rather. Oh, yeah, they're hooked up like this. You cannot pick it up. It's got the one, this has the one magnet.
Yeah, one magnet called. You can't with it, right? I think it holds it pretty good there. You put it against it.
Yeah, it doesn't,